Hey, it's Alex with Paragon Performance. Welcome to our new facility. Today we're going to be installing our carbon fiber hood struts. It's a sleek, visible carbon fiber design. It's a 50% weight savings over OEM. Got one more feature to it. It opens smoother and fully every time. As you can see with our OEM hood struts, they bounce and don't fully open. You have to push them into service mode for max lift. With our hood struts, you can see they are more smooth and open fully. On the hood struts, this one end is left loose. It's shipped to you that way. It is tightened down during the install process, and we'll show you that. Obviously, step one is going to be to open your trunk, hood, whatever you would like to call it. And pretty much the only tools that you're going to need is a small flat-headed screwdriver and a friend or a hood prop or your shoulder, something to hold this up. So when you undo one of these, it's not going to fall on you or somebody else. So let's get to starting on that. So on these hood struts, you're going to have these little clips, and there's a little flat spot in the top here that you can install this screwdriver, and you're just going to kind of pull that clip up while supporting the deck lid, and you will be able to just wiggle it off. All right, and then the other side here, the clip is exactly the same process. Depending on how long your screwdriver is, you may have to do it from this side, but you can do it either way. Right up, wiggle it off. We got one out. All right, so on the new one, like I said, this is loose. The orientation on this is important. The carbon fiber side actually needs to be up. So we'll install this in down here. Actually just push it on there. Very simple. The top, you'll do the same, but like I said, you're gonna have to rotate this to make this line up correctly. You just grab a hold of it and turn it clockwise till it lines up. And then line up the ball end to the end of this and click it on. As you can see, that's a pretty simple install. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. I forgot my line. We're good. I'll get it. Hey, it's Alex with Paragon Performance.